Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin today's session. The first question is, which section of the Hindu Succession Act grants absolute ownership to female Hindu? Section 12, Section 13, Section 14 or Section 15? The correct answer is option C, Section 14. Recently, the Supreme Court in Sri Mahesh vs. Sangram and others explained the application of the doctrine of relation back in Hindu succession and adoption laws, specifically regarding an adopted son's claim over an adopted mother's property acquired before the adoption. Section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act states about the property of a female Hindu to be her absolute property. Next, under which section of the Competition Act 2002 is the composition of the CCI defined? Section 5, Section 6, Section 7 or Section 8? The correct answer is option D, Section 8. Recently, the Madhya Pradesh High Court directed the media not to publish fake news or misinformation regarding the disposal of toxic waste material at the Pithampur facility. The court's order aims to prevent public panic caused by misleading reports. Section 8 of the Competition Act 2002 covers the composition of the CCI. Next, which section of Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023 outlines the proof of documents by primary evidence? Section 54, Section 55, Section 56 or Section 59? The correct answer is option D, Section 59. Section 59 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023 outlines the proof of documents by primary evidence. It states that documents shall be proved by primary evidence except in the cases hereinafter mentioned. Next, in Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023, which section states that oral evidence to be direct? Section 54, Section 55, Section 56 or Section 57? The correct answer is option B, Section 55. Section 55 of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023 states various cases or situations under which oral evidence shall be direct. The last question is, which section of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides for registration of Hindu marriages? Section 7, Section 8, Section 10 or Section 11? The correct answer is option B, Section 8. Section 8 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides for registration of Hindu marriages. Section 8, subsection 1 of HMA enables the state governments to make rules for the purpose of registration of marriage. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. The Transfer of Property Act 1882 came into force on 17th February 1882, 17th March 1882, 1st June 1882 or 1st July 1882? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.